There are multiple ways a flash flood might form, but several of these include slow-moving thunderstorms, training, ice jam flooding, and torrential rains. A flash flood is the rapid increase of floodwaters with little or no warning. By definition, a flash flood is a flood that occurs within a short period of time, typically within 6 hours, but much of the time these floods occur in less than an hour. These are due to excessive rainfall, dam failure, or a sudden rise in water due to ice jams. Flash floods are often a result of thunderstorms that stall or move very slowly. Thunderstorms like this create very heavy rainfall over a relatively small area in a short period of time. These thunderstorms typically develop from tropical moist air and produce heavy rain that leads to extensive flooding. As seen in the diagram, when heavy rain occurs repeatedly over a long period of time, the ground becomes waterlogged and is unable to absorb excess water. Because of this, it runs from the land down into rivers or other bodies of water that overflow and in turn burst into the surrounding banks. Flash floods can also occur due to training. Training is when flooding can occur when thunderstorms move quickly but keep passing over the same area over and over again. In this image, the thunderstorms are circled in dark red, and you can see that there are a series of thunderstorms that follow a path, like a train, that result in repeated heavy rainfall over the same areas over and over. Ice jam flooding occurs when large chunks of ice from a frozen river accumulate in the narrow part of a river's channel to create a jam. The majority of flash floods caused by ice jams occur upstream of the jam from sudden impoundment of water. As seen in the diagram, the ice forms a dam that produces local flooding called ice jam flooding. This typically happens during late winter or spring. Flash flooding also occurs because of tropical storms that deposit torrential rains over an extensive area. Because torrential rains are produced by tropical storms, they are typically fed by warm and humid air. In the image, you can see that torrential rains from these storms quickly saturate the soil, which leads to runoff that then raises the water levels in creeks and rivers, leading to flash flooding.